the C8 right here, just did the exhaust on it, the cat back, still has the factory cats. We're about to try and do some pulls on it and see how it sounds, see how it does on the highway.
Yeah, from the outside, man, it really sounds good. It's a 3-inch stainless. We did V-bands on each side. We did quad dual tips, 4-inch on each side. I like the round tips a lot better than the factory square tips that it came with. But man, just the sound of this thing already sounds more like a sports car. There's no drone in the car. This thing still has the factory catalytic converters on it. This is our first system we've designed, so we're gonna do a lot of testing on the street as well as on the dyno, and then maybe even hit up a road course to check temperatures and the sound and everything and all the quality of it. And after this setup, we will try a high flow cat, and after that we will even do a cat delete for you off-road guys that want to do road racing or drag racing and stuff like that. I'm curious to see the different horsepower gains from a stock cat versus a high flow cat, and then just deleting the cat, as well as what it just picked up now from us just building a new exhaust system with the muffler change. But I think the sound is so much better with the X-pipe that we designed. We'll hear it here in a second at wide open throttle, but normal cruising sounds excellent. Try it. We'll do a little second gear roll around 40. I do love the sound of this exhaust. I don't know if high flow cat will make it too loud or not. Obviously some customers will want it louder. For y'all, we'll do high flow cats. For y'all that want it even louder than that, we'll do a cat delete. I think that'll be very loud if you do a cat delete. It'll be just straight pipes, and it'll almost sound like an open header on an old C7 or a C6 with just some bullet mufflers on it, But again, the X-pipe we designed on this thing really helps the sound of this. And the quality of the stainless steel we use with the V-bands and even the tips, I mean, there was no expense spared when building an exhaust system for this car.